Owners of flooded property lose in court. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. A major storm in March 2016 caused unprecedented rainfall in the Sabine River Basin, leading the operators of the Toledo Bend Dam, which was jointly managed by the Sabine River Authority of Texas and the Sabine River Authority of Louisiana, to open 9 spillway gates. This action released significant amount of water into the Sabine River over several weeks. Downriver landowners experienced extensive flooding and property damage. More than 700 landowners brought suit alleging that the dam operators' actions constituted a compensable taking of their property under the Fifth Amendment. The case began in federal court in Texas, where the defendants raised several defenses, including sovereign immunity, which was litigated, and ultimately the court denied that immunity. This meant that the two river authorities had to respond to those claims. Discovery disputes arose over the admissibility and timeliness of the plaintiff's expert affidavits and reports, which were found to rely heavily on an untested graduate thesis. The judge struck the challenged affidavits as untimely, and the plaintiffs did not object. Later, the court granted summary judgment to the defendants, finding that the plaintiffs had not produced sufficient admissible evidence to create a genuine dispute of material fact as to whether the dam's operation caused the flooding or that a taking had occurred. The court also found the necessity doctrine might shield the defendants, but that wasn't really an issue because it really wasn't in the case. On appeal, the Fifth Circuit held that the lower court did not abuse its discretion in excluding those untimely expert affidavits. Further, the Fifth Circuit found that the plaintiffs had failed to present sufficient evidence of causation, specifically that the dam's operation, rather than the unprecedented storm itself, caused the additional flooding beyond what would have occurred without the dam. Therefore, the judgment of the lower court was affirmed and the landowner's claims failed. Heard about an interesting case? Let us know. We might cover it on a future episode. Want to hear one of our episodes again? Be sure to check out the best of Business Law 101 and YouTube at Dr. Dave Saves America. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101.